ice cream. Here I take some Oreo biscuit packs, 10 rupees each, and some boiled milk. Now I just cut the biscuit wrapper pack with a scissor. But listen one thing, be careful about the cutting time. This should be like this. I have cut the wrappers. Now I break the biscuits with pieces and grind it with a mixer grinder. It should be like this. After that, adding milk with teaspoon accordingly. Now mix the milk with the biscuit powder very well and stir the spoon accordingly. The batter should be like this. Now I put the wrapper into the glass and fill it with the batter. And a ice cream stick also put into the wrapper like this. In that way I put all the batters into the wrappers and let it to be cold in a deep fridge. In this way I have filled all wrappers with batter and placed these into the glasses. After 8 hours, I take away the glasses from the deep fridge and cut the wrapper very carefully. After cutting the wrappers, put the ice cream for coating of chocolate and dry fruits. It makes the ice cream very tasty. If you like this video, please share with your friends and family and subscribe my channel. Thank you.